Okay, here is the way we open up our app. And the first thing we're going to do is to find the new name game. We're going to name our game. So I will name my game new name. Then I'll click my blue button here and scroll down my previous games and see the new name game. I'll click on the new name game. It takes us to this page here, and this is how you input your numbers. If you want a number 3, you click on the 3, you'll see the 3 at the top. You push the bent arrow button and that'll put your 3 into the system. Now if we go over to the next page, you'll see there the number 3 has turned up, and that 1 there, whoops, counts how many numbers you have in. If you don't want the number 3 in there, you push this arrow button here. It'll ask you, do you want to delete that last number? You put yes, and then we go back over to the next page, and you'll see that there are now 0 numbers, and there's no numbers at all. So we go back to that page. And if you want a 33, you push the 3 twice. Then you push the bent arrow button. That'll put it in. If you put a 6 in next, bent arrow button. 22, bent arrow button. Now, when we go over to the next page, you will see those numbers you put in. The 33, the 6, and the 22. And down there, the 3 is counted how many numbers have been in this entire spin. So if I go back over to that page, if I keep pushing this button here, it will keep deleting. Where are we? It'll keep deleting the numbers until there are no numbers left. So now if we go over to that next page, 0, no numbers left, no numbers anywhere. That's all there is to it. Now, if I just go up the top here, because you can swipe, you can go swiping, get to each different page by swiping, or at the top of the page, you can use the wee shortcuts. But I'll just show you here, these are previous results that I've had. So if I go up to here, this one I've named Painting 1 to 3. There's all those couple of shortcut buttons there I was telling you. That one there, the first page, this is the one we're on now, and this is the next page. Now, if I go over to the next page, since this is a previous game that I've had, I can reload it, and you can see down there that 477 is how many spins I had for the entire session that I played. And then of course if you look here, you'll see all these numbers. These are the last 13 numbers out. So you can have a look and see what numbers are out. If you think you put them in wrong, you can just check it. And as I showed you, you can push the delete button to delete one button, a number or a lot. So that's all we need to know in relation to that.